Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove background from a photo from PhotoLeap. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the PhotoLeap app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen, you can see options like Home, Create, Project, etc. Stay on Home, then scroll down. From there, you're gonna have to navigate your way to change background. Then tap on Start. Now choose the photo that you want to remove background of. Once you do that, PhotoLeap will automatically remove the background. And guys, that's it. That's how you remove background using PhotoLeap. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.